Hurry up, bro.
Wait, what is it that wants to race you?
Lambo. Purple
Lambo
Lambo.
and Lambo versus Civic with a laptop, VTEC, and cylinder 3 misfire. Let me hop in, bro. Hey, let me check it. Yo, yo! Did we win? Yes. Yes? Nah, you said you're cheating. You said you're cheating, bro. You said you're cheating, bro.
Look what I said. I said I got a laptop. Nah, don't lie.
Cylinder 3 is misfiring. Yo, this thing looks dumb, bro. This thing baller or nah?
Oh, man, I'm so up.
Yeah, Bugatti swap. I think he's mad. He's leaving. He left.
Is he leaving?
He left, bro. I don't think he wants to race you. Again.